So keeping the posture right and landing properly. How should I actually do it? You already know what proper posture and also how to land your feet while you're running. In this video, I will show you how exactly you can practice. The most important thing is of course the posture. It's not only during run, but also life in general. Every time you notice that your posture is not right, you can just try this. To run properly, you need to get your posture right. To do that, we need a straight wall like this without anything sticking out at the bottom. So you can put your heels against the wall like this and put two hands behind the small of your back, just like this. And tuck your tummy in. Put your head against the wall as well, so you get everything nice and straight. Once it's straight, you keep the posture and gradually you go forward and start running like this. The next one is also for posture, but especially for during running. It's called back kicks. Yes, the name is kind of funny, and also it's been thought to be not so great because it was originally developed to bring the feet higher in the recovery phase of running. It's actually not really good for that, but I found it's quite effective, so I practice quite a bit. Yes, after sitting whole day, we tend to stick our hips out, but by doing this drill while you're running, you can bring your hips forward to have nice and straight line. The next one is to practice how to land our feet close to the center line through the body. It's called steps over ankle or calf. By repeating this, our body will get used to correct landing. I know, these look kind of funny, but they are highly effective. You might get laughed at a bit, but they're so effective you cannot ignore them. I coach some athletes and they use these drills and their running efficiency has gone up like that. Of course, there are so many other important factors in running, but by nailing these, your run is going to be so much more less stressful. You can do these after you warm up. Let your body know what correct movements are. Then you can do the mindset so your body will get used to the correct movement. Just as I said, there are so many other important factors in running. If you want to know more, please comment below, and also if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do that now. See you next time.